Hello everyone, it's been a long time. We are back, and in this episode, we are going to be making a medium effort, high protein meal. Yes, I say medium effort because it doesn't really require much skill or effort to create this meal, but it may also require some effort to put some flavor into it. If you are a lazy person and you don't really want to spend a lot, you can still watch this video, but you can exclude some of the spices, and you can even cook the food a little bit faster if you're lazy to wait. Hell, you can even eat the food raw. Alright, so let's get into this video. Earlier today, I marinated some chicken breasts using some sauces. Now, my first recommendation would be Kewpie's dressing, particularly the roasted sesame one. Other than that, I also think the creamy spices variant is also good. I usually marinate my chicken abundantly with these two sauces. Other than that, on days when I want more flavor, I usually add some hot sauce. This could be any type of hot sauce. Mine is the bird's eye chili sauce, or in other words, sauce chili padi. Some American mustard. Be sure to not add too much of this, if not it will override the flavor and also depart some of the foreign flavors out from the food.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no.
We've also got some truffle dressing, some black pepper sauce, Worcester sauce. I love this so much, it gives the food a sourish, vinegarish kick to it. Now let's get to cooking. But first of all, we need to lubricate our pan. Now for the most healthiest option, you can choose some extra virgin olive oil. However, whenever it comes to frying meat of any kind, I would highly suggest you to go for some pure grade butter, as this enhances the flavor that you are getting. It also provides you more energy during your workouts. As you can see, I left the onions. I'm going to add this in last because if I add it in now, it's going to dry up, it's going to burn out. We don't want that. So usually your onions or whatever veggies, add it at the end. You'll see why later. Now, obviously, you can't build muscles without carbohydrates, so we are going to be making some potato. I really hope you're enjoying this video. Now, if you do prefer to try out this recipe, make sure you top it off with a cup of coffee, because this meal can make you feel bloated at times and it also can make you feel sleepy. Grab yourself a cup of caffeine to boost yourself throughout the entire day. Now, I don't really do these videos often, but if you find yourself enjoying this video and you would like me to make more, feel free to suggest in the comments and I will try out new recipes so that you don't have to.